Inya ya ke arrowhead ba khalo pa isla pu de pa khira sopa no. My brother and sister, okay, today I want to share for you about Israel as for king. No? Israel as for a king, no? Pa isla pu khira sopa ne. Mata dile. Bekle kwa te sepo ta pita ma de ba no. Petawo puni de brother khwani no pe edo ta tamimi, okay? In our life, we need something, okay? But sometimes we ask to someone, all right? Then why Israel asked for a king? Why the reason come out, no? No, that's sure he proud of the no, but Israel put it pa Christopale away, Taki Udom, no? Once Samuel grew old, no, grew old. Panero Bogitermala pair saw Samuela, no? We Samuela, Bogiterma didn't to theme, no? We Samuela aware a Thapuano era no? We Samuela a Thapuano, no? He appointed his son as a judge for Israel, no? Tala appointed name, Bogitermala. Parati no pagite mala aware parati the no parawara no appointed ne parawa no parawara la apukwa the pa no just sidane casignora apukwa the pa casignora la pa isla po no letan ko ta ro pakru tinya la takwei no pa isla po the pa khiro tam no the name of his firstborn was Joe, no? Suta Pukamine, Joe. The name of his second was Abijah, no? Kiargane Korala Abijah. And this service the Basaba, no? Awene Kerala, Awete Marala Basaba, no? But this son did not walk in his way. Now, pagkatira mala apoded pani at the lele exactly what no. His ways it at the level a clever no. Smuela so smuela a clever. Erotiva no. Put it common. Upon a lately, Pasa a pony the level dera dinner no. Upon it the level a park level no. Pero pagkatira no. They return aside after Jesona gains and Ibsas bribe and provided justice, no. Pagkiterma Jesona sitane pagkiterma lata kabli kabla, no. Hi, no. Pagkiterma lata kabli kabla, no. Pain it tat total dissonance, no. Dissonance it tat total. Talo green in manita, no. Manita, no. No pagkiterma la Brab ne tera la ma pagkita mala mag pagkita ma hinita la pagkita ma tat baba ma pagkita mala close show mabi pa me no takane khora la bribe no beta no kore mabi ma me no la phane prevalence tala prevalence sitane tera na la akha ku etala tat total prevalence no akaku italo total no yes no I am the 40 years no let no kura pathinya 43 years no mine is 43 years no let no kura pathinya la tamita to over no earthobra atapita madira earthobra kutaro so all the idols of Israel gathering together and come to Samuel and Ramah. Now, pagkita mana, pa Israel di ba kala kasi mano, awete patukita patir pa upuro po dito toro. Hewala lo wisamuela o sasmuela do lusu Ramane no. Hewasu Ramaro they said to him, no awet deva or no awet deva wara no sasmuela no Samuel no. you are old no nanin tapwali no so similar nanin tapwali and your son no do not walk in your way no pero na pukwa ni at a lady to negleba no your son do not walk in your way no ola no leta no kuta ro tebe di ni mo no te lele negleba no now no a point akin to lead us no such as all the other nations have no pagitena mala kaini palo so pargala akero lo pakupana la pako do no ditu do wakele no nation ditu do pga hakku do be ne uro asopa tu ne pe ero uro asopa sikomo no tera no pakaloga ditu nation pakaloga ditu pagitena ma sopa le hakku do be asopa utu mo no pe ero loga dini mo no po isra po khido mo Israel asks no but when they said no basa ke pe awadi tene get us a king to lead us no petena ma hipwa sopa la ke pakupana mo no this displeased Samuel no petena ma la ta way ni ke ro ra displeased sidane pagiteta mala ta ma tu mata Samuel no highs no ta ma tu mata no Samuel ogwane no pagiteta ma displeased sidane ta ma tu mata no leta no kuta ro pagiteta mala ta klo khai no do so he prayed to the Lord no Samuel ne akhibatu pa lo kasayo mo no khida lo kasay no prayers to the Lord's name akhibatu pa lo kasay and the Lord told him no do no ne kasayo ne teba o hi no kasayo ne teba o mo no leta no kuta ro tewe phe I mo no kasayo ne teba o and listen to all this the people are saying to you no dugana khala kase bakhala paka nyode pa tebana no toy no leta no kuta say to you it is not you they has reject no pagana aware tamila aware pagitena mala apatina ba me wala aware thodana me ba no me ma te na ba te me ba no aware te na ba te me ba this is called but they have reject me as their king no aware the name no le ta telo ba ya lo ba khu ta na awati khiwera sopa mo no awati telo ba ya lo ba no le ta no awati khi sopa no their king as they has done from the day no mutni lo awati mara pagitena mala mutni we ne no I brought them up out of Egypt and time this day no yes so ne awati le ko aguptupu no tulo mu satani nya yi no pagitena ma forsake meat and serve other gods no talo forsake ne pagitete ma dile no sukwe nyokwe no forsake ne sukwe nyokwe mo no forsake meat and serve other gods idane awade sukwe nyokwe yaro awade mawara kasaga tapita mo no mawara kasaga tapita ma ko jaro ne no pay ni tewera le no beta no ko jaro no so they are doing to you no let that kodara awate ma na dini solo no now listen to them no kaini dukana awate mo no dukana awate but warn them no salon and let them know no pagitena mala talo salon sidani no tera pami popwa no pami popwa ditro na gaba di sinya ono de no pagitena mala why the king who will resign over them with you no pagitena mala awane sopa gala kahini tala awate luba warane awate bama no sopa ga no resign no leta no khotara le sopa luba wa tune no awe sopa pura no so a pura la wate poko ni this so parte ne wate we do no wate kabama no Samuel told the word of the laws to the people no who were asking him for a king no Samuel ni no pagitema teba wera no ka saywa le teba wara o do le pa ka nyoti de pha le a khibera sopa no awe the khibera sopa lo uni no he said the awe tebera no he said this is what the king no awe ni made la sopa no who will resign over you will do no pagitema ka pera no sopa ga awe ka pera le tu pokku no awe ka mara te pha no will do he will take your son no pagitema awe ka hine na phukwa no and make them share with him Charles no pagitema mala awe ka mawara no ka de ke ba aku no akhe pwa do dit no do awe ka hibira ka pali ka ha siko no and horse no pagitema la no pagitema ka thi siko and they will run in front of his Charles no pagitema awe te ba ka khibira no ka khibira la pagitema lika ha amenya no lika amenya some he will assign to be commander no pagitema awe tanono ne ka pawara la ke kevara commander ne pwa la persera no pwa la persera no and 1,000 and commander of 50 no pagitema ka perser pa nyo 1,000 no takatu me wa ro no yechi no awe ka pa wa din ne no awe te tara takle ko and other to plow his ground and wrap him harvest no pagitema na tanono ne ka thera no we blood awe ka kuda no awe ne tera no reap his harvest ne ka kuda no and stay other to make weapon of war no pagita no ne awe kamawara no katiwera pagita ma wap no weapon sidana mera ta de ya asukwe mo no le ta de ya go ero tewena equipment for his Charles no dawlo ne awe ka batiwera alika ha no equipment sidana ta chepre mo no awe ti no ta the door the data no equipment ta door the data no he will taste your daughters to be performers no pagiten mala awe ka hine na phomu no do ka mawada la awe ka manamu da awe ka kerota namu no and court and the baker no pagiten mala no awe ka phoda do pagiten mala awe ka kuku no ka phoda ra ka kuku no he will take the best of your field no awe ka hine wada no awe ka hine wada pagiten mala no na chin plo le agita na chin plo no field ne na chin plo le agita vanayas no na spe lo no and always chrome no pagina always chrome ba kala tu lu pagina ma tu talota kle and give them to his attendant no talo attendant sita ne pagina ma la awe kilo pala alle khita ro no attendant no pala alle khita ro ne no ba hiyo he will take the tenth of your grain and of your vantage and give it to the official and the attendants no when it work he ne ra ba kala no na no ba ka tapo ne da no the sea no pursi da pugiten wa padu pa pwa de pha le da ro no da pugiten ma la awane takhala ke so no pugiten ma no awat he ne da taputa li du ne ma no ka te o ti dini tu ma no te da no pay your man service and the maid service and the best of your cattle and the donkey he will taste for his own use no pagiten ma pain no pagina na pwa mara no pokwa mara pomu na pomu mara no pomu pokwa mara don na claw no pagiten mala na claw the best of your no cattle pagiten ma when metal agriculture claw le agriculture ba hini me no and la pagiten mala donkey no ka ti yo pho no lo a work through a casabo no his own use a casabo no he will take 10 of your flocks no talo tu no flocks si ra ne me da tu no work he ne ra na tu di pa mo no na tu di pa no the sea no and you yourself will become his slave no na se kwane ne ke ro no na no ka sara wa se kwane ke ro aku right tebra no let no ko ro when the day come mutani heaven no tebra you will cry out for release from the king you had chosen no mutani pagda ma no awa sector me ba ni no ta ko ta he me bana mo no da na ka ko tu do le na so pa o na ka khita ma se na ka khita tu ple le na so pa o ne lo no da no le na so pa na khu ta ga o ne no a we ne na khu ta ho ta la na ma khi ro ta phe o lo no and the lord will not answer you in the day in that day no and the lord will not answer you in that day no le ta ko na ka sa yu ta du ka na lo ba mu te ni ne ka sa ya ta du ka na lo ba no ka pro le na khu tra da ko no ka sa ya ta du ka na lo ba le ta ko na pa kra pa tu pa ta no but the people refused to listen to Samuel no pasana kini pa the people ne pa ka nyo no pa ka nyo awe wera no pa ki ma refuse ida ne awe ta ka na no awe ta ka na ba no awe te ta do ka na ba no awe te refuse ida ne ta lo pa te de pha ne no awe te tu lo ra ba no tu lo ra ba no no this says no awe te ta me ba no awe te ra we want a king over us no pa lo ba so pa lo no le ka pa wa ko lo pa pha khu mo no then we will be like all the other nation we run a pakaloga dito hako dot plug no hako de plug pagitera mala awate ura sopa to ne pakora sopa tini to no awe lo ba no with a king to lead us and to go us before us and fight our better no pagitera mala no awe ne no pagitera mala sopa ne no ka kero pa kubana no sopa ne ka lele pa menya no do sopa ne ka dunita le no ka manita manele bugo no pagitera mana our better sidan no ka manita manele bugo no then go to 1 Samuel hears all this the people said no panida some so Samuela na who hears all that the people said no na who kele kasile pakanyote or dini to lo he replied it's before the Lord no he repeated it's before the Lord no when it work take that game like a say your own no the Lord answer no when it say you are no listen to them and give them a king no do kana or do hear so pa that Samuel said to the man of Israel no do kasai so Samuel teba wala pa kanyote pala Israel pukalani no everyone go back to his town no awat teba wala pakahina mo no pagi du so pa le tan ko ro pa du ni tia te salvara ke gida ke se awat tala taklera wala no remember this when you ask for the king, right? You ask for the king, you had to be given so many things. Your son, your daughter, your flowers, your cattle, no, so many things. Okay, the firstborn, a lot of things you have to give it. This means the king, no. Hi, no. Let us know who that are. We understand about the Israel ask for a king. This is very dangerous, but the gods given to them. Okay, tell to the Samuel, listen to them. All right, listen to them, given to them whatever they want. Okay, because they forsake me. Okay, they go to the other gods. whatever, okay, give it them, okay. You know what, we are the good men, but we don't need to ask so many things to God, right? With Israel before, they are going with God right now. They has the king or they has leader. This means I think maybe the God don't listen to them anymore. Uh, just like just like the Israel asked for the king, for a king, okay, to Samuel. Samuel, oh, because uh, Samuel's son is not follow Samuel law, Samuel way. That's why the Israel has problem. Okay, Israel problem because Samuel's son is doing such a thing, dishonest gain, and then pride, and then prevent us so many things. Samuel, his son doing. This means Israelite people don't like. Israelite people is that they are the the God children, the God people. This means whatever they ask, the God please everything, right? But Samuel displeased. Samuel displeased. Samuel can do nothing, all right, because the gods. Samuel tell to the gods said, listen to them. This is finished. You can't do nothing, okay? You and me too. We can't do nothing, all right? Let them go for mana ba no pa me khiro ta lo pa hilo lo te la no kasaywa. But me khiro lo kasaywa right now is that people ask to gods, right? But I think that we don't know the gods where the god going or God stay with us. Sometimes we feeling not, yes, we feeling sometimes we feeling okay, okay. We feeling okay. When we remember on the Job is he don't see God before when he children time. Only just he doing God will. Later then he lose everything. Son, daughter, okay, and then it's animal or service, everything. Their flaws and the ghosts or the cutters, everything losses. But later than the God giving again. Alright. We understand that sometimes we feeling so bad to God. But remember this. God is patient. God welcome our people. Okay. People don't understand. Sometimes love is lonely. Okay, love lonely. Really remember this. The same thing, we are the father in the house. Sometimes we are lonely. Okay. No children take care of us. No children. Okay. We are lonely. No matter what, we live in with God. We pray to God. We pray to them. This is God love. Okay. God love. The same thing our father too. Your father too. I think your father too maybe loved you so much. I guarantee, right? Thank you, my brother and sister, and my friends. God bless you. Tonight you will be sleep well. Tomorrow wake up Sunday. We go to church, okay? We go listen gospel there, and I come back home. You will be safe in the way, yeah. Let down the hood out of Moxa Suli to the town of Boo, or come sit in a miram opening. Lord, let down the hood out of Pakale Butku Batku Yalo, the road of Pakaki, Lehi, not Puplero, Takwata Kennedy, no? Moya Suaki, the Pukapo, the Turbo Panet, tableau, no? God bless you. We see you next time. Okay, bye bye. Thank you so much, everyone.